Hello everyone, today I want to share with you personal experience with this right-angle parking space. Parking spaces in this situation. It's nothing more than turning the front of the car from this direction. Become this direction. Okay, let me share it with you next. Personal parking method. Vehicles arrive normally. At this time, we pay attention to the front of the car on the right. Take this corner of the front of the car as the fulcrum. Then look through the right window. When you look over, after passing this front, you can just move forward slowly. Fill one side to the left. How far do we have to go forward? Hey! At this time, you should pay attention to your right rearview mirror. The distance between the body and the front of the car. About 20 centimeters is better. It doesn't matter if it's 50 centimeters or 30 centimeters. But you don't want them to look like they are overlapping. Why? You see when you keep walking. Walk up to you when you see your car. The body of the car overlaps with the front of the car? You fall backwards, right? You will collide with the front of this car. About 20 centimeters. It doesn't matter if you have more or less. Fall back now. What if you are an experienced driver? Hey, the veteran driver is like this. He observed while pouring. Hey, let's start taking directions. Isn't it like beating slowly? Just came in. Right? What if you are a novice driver? I am teaching you a method. You can just fall straight back. Don't give directions. Fall on your ass. When the distance from the front of this car is about the same, you can stop. Then shift into forward gear at this time. Full to the left. Then move forward slowly. Align the body to the left. And then this time, you can stop. Then fall backwards. Make a direction to the right. Adjust the body. That's it. Enter directly. This method is very useful. No matter when your car is so wide. When the parking space is so wide. When the parking space is narrow. All very useful. Okay, let me demonstrate it to you next. After I narrowed the parking space. Use the same method. The vehicle moves forward. Walk to see this fulcrum. After passing this fulcrum, turn left and move forward. Then observe this car body. As long as it's about the same distance. 20 or 30 centimeters is fine. At this time you can fall straight back. The same observation car but when the distance to the front of the car is relatively close, you can stop. At this time, you can shift into forward gear. Turn left and move forward. When observing the left and right rear view mirrors, you can fall back. Then hit it a little bit in the right direction. Right? When you find out if this car is relatively close, you can turn left again. Adjust the body. At this time, you fall back again. Adjust the direction slowly. You can come in. This is very useful for newbies.